In this video, I'm going to solve a little mystery for anyone who's been missing that old average session duration metric in Google Analytics. If you've moved over to GA4 and you're wondering where it went, you're in the right place. I know this has been frustrating a lot of people, so let me show you exactly how to get it back. So first off, let's talk about what actually changed here. In Universal Analytics, we had this really straightforward average session duration metric right there on the dashboard. You could see it immediately without any hassle. But in GA4, Google has shifted their focus to something called average engagement time instead. That means the old metric that we're all used to isn't as obvious anymore. But don't worry, we can totally find it. The thing is, GA4 still tracks average session duration. It's just that Google has chosen to highlight average engagement time more prominently in the interface. But the session duration data is still being collected and is available if you know where to look for it. Now, the tool we're going to use to fix this is Looker Studio. You might still know it as Data Studio. Google keeps changing the name of their tools, but it's the same thing. This is where the magic happens. We'll pull in data directly from GA4 and build a custom dashboard to see the average session duration for any page or your entire site. Just like the good old days, Looker Studio is completely free, by the way, so you don't need to worry about any costs. And once you set this up, you'll have way more control over how you view your analytics data than you ever did with the basic GA4 interface. Let me show you exactly how to add this data to Looker Studio. So basically, what I'll be doing is adding a table to display this information. You go to the Insert option and add a table. Then in the table settings, you'll select GA4 as your data source. Make sure you connect to the right GA4 property. Now, here's where it gets good. For the Dimensions option, I'll choose Page Path. This will show you the different pages on your website. You can even choose Page Title if you prefer that. Then in the Metrics section, I'll choose the much-awaited average session duration data. And just like that, you can display the average session duration for all the different pages on your website in a clean, easy-to-read table. There are a lot of different other options you can customize too. You can stylize the table however you want, change colors, fonts, add filters, sort the data different ways. But for the topic of this video, this is basically how you do it. It's really that straightforward once you know where to look for the metric. You can also set up multiple views on the same dashboard using the existing GA4 data. Maybe you want one chart showing overall average session duration, another showing it by page, and a third one showing trends over time. With Looker Studio, you have complete flexibility to display the GA4 data exactly how you need it. One thing that's really nice about this approach is that you're accessing the same data that GA4 collects, but displaying it in a much more user-friendly way. No, actually you-friendly way, if you know what I mean. While you're building this dashboard, you can add other metrics from GA4 that might also be harder to find in the standard interface. You're essentially creating a better way to view the data that's already there. The dashboard will automatically update with fresh data from GA4, so once you set it up, you don't have to maintain it manually. It's like having your own custom analytics interface that shows you exactly what you want to see. And here's a pro tip. You can share these Looker Studio dashboards with clients or team members really easily. So if you're working with people who are also missing the old Universal Analytics interface, you can create a dashboard that feels familiar to everyone. The whole process might seem a bit technical at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll probably find that Looker Studio gives you way more power and flexibility than the standard analytics interfaces ever did. You can create exactly the reports you need instead of being stuck with whatever Google decides to show you. So that's basically how you can easily access average session duration data from GA4 using Looker Studio. The data is there in GA4. We're just using Looker Studio to pull it out and display it in a clear, accessible way. It's much simpler than it might seem at first. If you guys want more Google Analytics and Looker Studio tutorials, I can definitely deliver more content like this. Let me know in the comments what specific topics you need help with. Whether it's more GA4 tricks, Looker Studio customizations, or other analytics challenges you're facing, I'm always looking for new tutorial ideas. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more awesome content. And I'll see you in the next video.